No.
Kepha uNkulunkulu yazi ukuthi mhla nizidla niyakuvuleka amehlo enu nibe njengoNkulunkulu nikwazi okuhle nokubi.
Kancane makathi aniyukufa. Adam and Eve ate, ne? Were they dead? No, but spiritually they died. Why? Because they ran away from God. But once God says to you, this don't do, and this results into that, trust me, you're gonna die. Then you will come. How will you know that you are dead? We know that are you hearing me? That is why the Bible says, look at the works that you did at first. It says, I have a